Shein haul for you today. I haven't done a Shein haul in, oh my gosh, so long. So they had so many amazing new things on their site. I am so excited about this. It actually came like 3 days sooner than I expected it. So that was a nice surprise. And I didn't get a ton just because I'm trying to not spend all my money right away. I'm trying to kind of take it slow, although it's not always working out that way. So anyway, I thought I would just go ahead and do this Shein haul on camera for you guys, and you guys can get my real reactions. And yeah, enjoy. So let's see what we have inside. So I don't want to show you my address, obviously. For those of you who haven't been here in a while or who are new, I did just move to a new state. We just moved to Iowa from Colorado because that's where our family is. And even though we miss Colorado so much, we are very thankful to be with our family again. But that means I have a whole new nail room and a whole new nail studio. I love it. It's a little dark, so sorry about the lighting. The lighting's not amazing. I'm trying to work it out. There's no natural light in this room because I am in the basement. So we're working with lighting, so bear with me. Hopefully I can adjust it on the camera or the screen when I edit it. All right, so first thing I got is a brush cleaner. This is something I've been needing and wanting. All right, so it is a mange. I swear I got one that was marble, but maybe I got this one. It's pink, and it's just like one of those sponges, so you can take your brush. So for me, I might take like this brush, clean off the dip powder, especially. You can use these for makeup brushes too, obviously. But yeah, it's just really cute. It sits on your desk, has a lid for it. All the dust powder or the powder collects in the bottom underneath the sponge. And then you can dump it out or keep it, I guess, if you want. All right, so that was the first item. Let's see what else we can pull out of here. Next we got, this is a teeny little box. I don't know why I was expecting it to be bigger. It's teeny tiny. It's very cute. So I've been wanting to get the flowers that are all over the internet, and I really love them. I love the look of them. So I got these, and so the nice thing about these is it comes in 6 different colors, so I figured I can experiment. And I don't have a ton of them yet, but I can see what colors I use the most and then repurchase them, because you can buy bulk of certain colors. I really like this like tealy, really light teal blue color. Obviously I like the white. My camera, my light's in the way. So yeah, those would be nice. The pink's nice. And then it does come with caviar beads as well. It actually comes with some pearl caviar beads and gold caviar beads. I'm just kind of pulling randomly. All right, we'll go ahead and get some of these water decals out of the way. Oh, they're bent. All right, so these I saw, and I thought these were so fun. I'm hoping that they're big enough to go on a nail. They're not super big, to be honest. But I thought to go down the center of a nail, maybe, just kind of some fun, bright colors. Those are neat. They're not exactly what I was expecting, but they were only $1. So, not bad. Then, ooh, I got a new nail tip stand because I saw this one, hadn't seen it before, and thought, let's try it. So this nail tip stand comes in, I believe, 3 different colors, and I want to say this was $2, maybe $3. But it is a heart. It's iridescent, which if you've been on my channel long, you know I am obsessed with iridescent things. So I know there was like a clear white one, there was also a pink one, and then there was this blue one. So gosh, that's pretty. So I thought that would be a kind of a fun tip stand to use, because right now, currently the only tip stand I use is this one, which is pretty. I like the size of this one. That's why I chose this one. But this is another good sized one. So if you're looking for a decent sized tip stand, that's a good one. The thing I don't like about the like diamond ones, most of the ones, they're so small that you might as well be holding this. So this kind of gives you some surface area to hold on to. So that's why I got that. So nice, I'm happy with that purchase. More water decals. This time I got some fun like leaves in the tie-dye. Let me take them out of the package so we can see them better. And I thought these might go really well with these, so that's why I got both. So you can see those there. I like those a lot. Those are much nicer sized for a nail, and they're all the same, I believe. Yep. So I'm happy with that purchase. Oh yeah, I got these as well. These are like the smoky, I think these are stickers. Smoky look, if you're not good at painting like me, or you don't have maybe the colors that are on here. Yeah, these are stickers. They're all pinned. It does say positive on there, which is a good thing to have. So I love those. Those will be fun. Let's see. They don't quite go with these stickers, but they are really fun. They just look like a really nice, like a smoky blossom look, like the blossom gel look. So those would be nice. Let's see. Oh, I got my favorite nail forms. These are my go-tos. I don't know why these stick really well. Almost too well sometimes. I'm hoping these will stick to my practice hand well as too, because it'd be really nice if I could find some forms that stick to the practice hand. Oh, I got some tulips. Let's see if I like these. Tulip time. I live in a very Dutch area. Like there's a lot of Dutch heritage in my area. My nationality is actually mostly Dutch. So we have a community that is, it's like 10 minutes, 15 minutes from us. It's seriously like the whole town is Dutch heritage. Like that's how they design the town. The buildings are designed that way. And then in May, they have what we call tulip time. And so I thought these might be kind of fun for tulip time to go on the nails. So they're these really beautiful, just cute and dainty tulips. So those would be fun. All right. Ooh, I did get this. I'm excited about this. So this is another tip stand, but this one, instead of like a normal clear tip stand like that, this one is a outlet. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So it comes with the stands, and then it comes with the palette. I guess you could call it the palette stand. Oh, how fun is this? It's kind of nice because you can get a good grip on it too. And these are actually stronger. They feel stronger. These are metal, which helps. Than my other ones. My other ones are like plastic, kind of cheapo. This one just feels much sturdier. Like when I go to do a set, they're not gonna slide around near as much. I really am happy with this. I want to say this is only like $3. I'll definitely link it below, but so cute. Love this. I'm really excited about that. All right, what else do we have in here? Ooh, tweezers. These were like a thing I noticed last minute. So I've been wanting tweezers that you can like pinch your nail with. Both of these do that, but I've also been wanting good tweezers like that match up, because here's what my tweezers are doing. I've used them so much. They don't meet, so they're like trash. I don't even know why I don't throw them away. They're trash. So these are really good, strong tweezers. So we got the needle nose ones like this. Need to maybe get this out of the way so it doesn't keep focusing on that. And then you got the like bent elbowed ones as well. Ah, those are nice. So they can not only form a nail, obviously not this nail, because that's the big one. So like if you're doing acrylic, you can put them on there to pinch it, but you can also use them as tweezers. I'm really happy with that purchase. Awesome. All right, this is something I have been wanting for a very, very long time, so I'm excited to show you this. Hopefully it's good quality. It was, I think, $4. So basically what this is, it's a gem picker. How do I open it? Holy cow, this is like stuck good. There we go. Very pretty. So on one end you have the gem picker, like the wax picker. And on the other end, this is what I really bought it for, is like it's where you would adjust where your gem goes. But I got it to dip powder cleanup. I'm sure you've seen those. Ah, that's so pretty. I have been wanting one of these for so long. It's crazy. I actually ordered one from AliExpress and it never came. So that is awesome. Super happy about that. I have a couple more things. I am not 100% sure what this is. Oh, that's right. I got a Dappen dish crown, and I would also say that I would use this for a brush holder. That's so pretty. This is bigger than I thought it was going to be. So you would take you'd be able to rest your brush on it. Obviously I wouldn't use that one, I'd use a gel brush. So maybe like one like that. But you just use it to rest your brush while you're waiting. And you can put either your isopropyl alcohol, you can put your monomer. I don't do acrylics much, but I do polygel a lot. So isopropyl alcohol would be perfect inside that. Isn't that pretty? Gosh, I love that. That's so pretty. I've been wanting one of those for a while as well. And then I think the last item, let me double check. Yes. The last item in here is another tip holder, tip stand. This one comes, looks like with the plastic. This is tiny. If you look at the comparisons between this tip holder and this one, it's like super dainty. It's hard to tell. And it's plastic, but that's okay. But, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love it. And this one also came in other colors, I believe. So it comes like that. Ooh, it's a strong magnet though. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Look at that. And you don't have to use this one. You can use like this one. So if you want to switch it out, like if you're using a tip holder like this and you want to switch it out, pull it on here while you're working, you can. Although they don't fit as well as laces, this one does. This one fits better. But is that not so gorgeous? Again, iridescent. You know me, I have to have it. So here's a look at everything that I got in this haul. I'm extremely, extremely happy with how the products turned out. I definitely will be purchasing more items from Shein in the future. I already have a huge shopping list full, so make sure you stay tuned. I will also have some really fun sets coming that I really hope that you're going to like. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe because I will be around for a while. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.